Nutty are you about coconuts? If you are, this video is for you. Watch it till the end. I'm going to be talking about cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. On an average, I receive about 3 to 5 calls and messages asking me if they can add extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil to their diet to primarily lose weight, and sometimes people do talk about hair, skin, bad blood profile. Now, coconut has been a superfood from time without beginning. We've been using it for its taste, for its versatility, and for its goodness. But of late, we've been using it in ways when which it is never supposed to be used in. So today, I thought I'm going to talk all about it and help all of you. So do remember to share this with your family and friends to make sure that we use it the right way. Now, when we talk about coconut, number one, it's an extremely good fruit because it has something called medium chain fatty acids, which is a very good form of fat. Number one. Number two, it has high fiber, which helps you to relieve constipation, manage your BP well, manage your blood profile well. It has very amazing mineral content, which means it gives you a good antioxidant boost and works as an immunity booster. It has something called caprylic acid, which is a medium chain fatty acid, which works on your lipid profile, works on your immunity. Also, if used correctly, works on your weight loss. So now that's all about this fruit, along with the amazing taste that it brings to your meal. Now, when it comes to weight loss, please understand weight loss is all about total fat intake. Now, when you're trying to lose fat, on top of that, you give it extra fat, hoping that because it is good fat, it is going to cause more fat loss. It's not going to work, right? If you look at fat loss or weight loss at the basic level, it is input and output. More input, less output is equal to weight gain. Less input, more output, weight loss. Same input, same output, same weight. So please make sure that you're managing it that way. You're looking at coconut oil also part of your diet and not just because somebody's told you it's a superfood and it'll help you lose weight. So that's number one. Number two, coconut has 87% saturated fat, which means it puts you at a risk if you have a genetic cardiovascular issue. If you've seen, your family members having heart issues, if you've seen your family members with bad lipid profile, you need to make sure that you're controlling your intake of coconut. It has to be on the lower side. If you still want to take coconut, which of course you can, you must know that you need to take it in the form of the fruit, which means you have coconut as coconut. Like you can have a piece of coconut as your midday snack. You can drink coconut water, which will give you the richness of coconut minus the fat. Yeah, but you can't replace your normal water with coconut. That means we're talking about let's say about 8 to 10 coconut water in a day, which is absolutely a big no-no. So maybe 1 coconut water a day or in alternate days. Avoid the dried form of coconut, which is the desiccated coconut, or even the coconut milk or coconut oil if you have genetic cardiovascular issues or genetic bad lipid profile issues. Make sure that you are counting the calories of coconut or coconut oil when you're using it while you're trying to lose weight. Please remember, 1 gram of coconut oil is going to give you 9 calories. Now, we're not talking about bad, good, whatever. Calorie is a calorie, number one. Number two, you need to also make sure that you're just not drinking coconut oil. You can use it for your cooking, like South Indians use it for their cooking. That's the conventional way of their cooking. So if you're a North Indian, you cook it in, let's say, mustard oil, and on top of that, you also have coconut oil. You're going to overdo it. So please don't overdo it. Excess of everything is bad. Apart from this, if you would like to know anything about coconut, about the technical perspective technicalities of coconut from nutrition perspective, put them in the comment section and I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as this can help a lot of people. We'll talk again. Bye bye.